But he's got a brace on around his neck. It's yellow.
Hey, 16, we got him.
Hold on. What is this one?
What happens when a robbery unfolds inside the world's busiest airport and a stranger quietly decides to follow the suspect through the terminal?
Be advised, 1704 is en route to the RCC area. Advised if you're going to be reporting back number 3, and it's going to be I copied that traffic there. You got some more units to be. Good idea to check the GCIC also and RCC. Yeah, you're out to RCC, right?
Where's the victim?
I'm just pulling out of domestic, so it's taking about 5 to 8 minutes to get over there. What units come several in front right now? Be advised. Regulations 1703.
People all the way down and then around.
Yeah, so 26 at D1. 26 at D1.
It's on the other side.
704, can you grab right down here, and I'm gonna jump on the Sky train.
3716. We're gonna be down MARTA platform. That's where the suspect gonna be at. MARTA platform. Hold on right here.
Yes, the MARTA? Sky train.
That's a fact.
Again, active victim, did it happen at MARTA platform or the SkyTrain platform? RCC.
MARTA platform. That's where we at with the victim.
MARTA platform.
What happened?
First on the certain radio, he's saying that the guy has something like around his neck, like a yellow brace around his neck.
And he got something in his
Shit, the train is about to come, man.
Oh, we got guys downstairs.
He's got something sticking out of his right side. It looks like an axe handle.
Okay. He went back down?
But he's got a brace on around his neck. It's yellow. He's wearing gray.
37 on the radio. He's saying that this guy has something like around his neck, like a yellow brace around his neck. And he got something in his, something bulging on the right side.
That's the 3716. Did the police get away on MARTA or did he get away on SkyTrain? That really matters. Where should we focus? On MARTA or on the SkyTrain?
91, stand by. The initial report came SkyTrain. Evidently, the victim is giving more detailed information.
Yo, where that happened at? Where? Here or SkyTrain? No, where that happened? Here or no, the other train? Inside the airport?
Where did it happen exactly?
Hold on.
He's hiding. He has a
Right there.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, 16, we got him.
Yo, what? Hold on. What is this?
Yeah, step up, man, step up.
Hold on, sorry there. What is this?
In my hole, baby.
Yo, what?
In my hole, baby.
Hold on. What is this, man? Come on.
Step up.
Hold on. Stop right here. Hold on. Stop reaching, man. Stop reaching.
Give me that.
Taking me from my shit. Dude, stop.
Stop.
What the fuck are you taking me from?
Stop.
What the fuck?
Go ahead. Stop. Go ahead. Stop.
What the fuck are you taking me from? What the fuck? Man, I ain't do shit.
He's holding in front like he got something.
I ain't do shit.
Yo, let me have you.
Stop
Let's
telling
have
me
you.
for what, bro?
Give what's the number? Good shit, bro. The fuck going on, bro? Put your hands, man. Put your hands home, bro. Come on, man. Stop resisting. Come on, man. What the fuck on me, bro? What the fuck you got in there? Yeah, what is that? We gotta try to turn him so we can cuff him to the back. We gotta try to turn him so we can cuff him to the back. Go ahead. You pulling my fucking leg. I got fucking what you call him. I got my fucking leg, bro. Fucking pulling me, what you got? Stop. Stop. So stop then. Stop it. I'm trying to go. Stop. You need to stop then. I just want to go home, bro. Okay, you can't. Now roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach. You need to stop. Stop it then. Turn around. I don't know. You got the key? I didn't do shit wrong. Pat him down real good. What is that? Oh, my
Airport monitor, platform.
Hey, bro. That's my shit, bro. That's my shit, dog. Ain't no shit wrong. Wait, double check. That's my shit, dog. That's my shit, bro. Hey, bro, come with us. Ain't no shit wrong, bro. Is there anything else, Pat? Alright, bro, y'all doing too fucking much. The fuck? Ain't even do shit, bro. You
He don't have it either.
What happened to him?
He robbed somebody.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Quoi, sont faits, monsieur Gamel? On fait. Yeah, the victim is here.
What they do?
I think it robbed him with his phone and shit like that. Yeah, with this. Close that door, man.
He robbed him of his phone and his phone.
Man, that's you. Okay, have a seat right there, man. You good, man? Yeah. Oh shit, yeah. That's why I don't. Yeah, that's something right there.
All right, so exactly what happened that you know about. I mean, I know we all came up there.
Well, it started up there on the second, in the atrium on the second floor. The big gentleman was sleeping near the electrical outlet on the, what would be Burger King side, up on the second floor. I just happened to be reading something on my tablet, and I saw this kid walk up and past, and he kept looking at everybody as he was walking past.
Who came up, started looking at me? Who came up looking?
The kid with the brace on his neck.
Okay.
He came across from the elevator side, and he was walking, and he kept looking at everybody as he was walking by. Well, this gentleman was sound asleep, more or less.
You talking about the victim being the gentleman?
The big gentleman out here. He had a blanket on him, a blue blanket, and he was caddy pointed away from his phone. So he was here, his phone was here, and the electrical outlet was right here.
So he was charging?
Yeah, he was charging, and his luggage was right there. And so the kid bent down when he didn't acknowledge him passing. He didn't wake up or anything, so the kid got behind him and kneeled down next to his luggage and reached across. And I thought he was plugging up his phone, but he wasn't plugging up his own phone. He unhooked the guy's phone, and then he reached back across and he pulled the phone, the charging cord out. Right about that time, big gentleman rolled over.
Hey, Colin, don't go anywhere. Just hold up a second, all right? No, I want you to hear what's being said. I mean, you know what I'm saying? You're the atrium guy, so apparently this is going on in the atrium, so. All right.
About that time, the gentleman rolled over. He didn't roll completely, but he rolled enough that he changed position, and the kid jumped behind his luggage, and he was kneeling down behind his luggage trying to hide from him. Well, he never looked at his phone because he wasn't awake. He just rolled over in his sleep. And maybe as soon as the guy settled down, the kid stood up, and I noticed something hanging out of his pocket, out of his pants. And it was a long handle, about maybe 7 to 8 inches long. It didn't look like, it didn't look like a gun handle or anything. I wasn't sure what it was. But I saw him walk away, and he kept messing around in his front. So something told me to go and find out if the guy had his phone. Or that, just to check. So I got up, and I walked over, and I looked down, and all I saw was the phone case. There was no phone in it.
Okay.
It wasn't charging. So I tapped the guy, and I said, listen, where's your phone? And he said, my phone? And he looked down, and he realized, my phone! And he jumped up, and I said, no, I saw who took it.
Okay.
I said, you just hang on right here. Let me see if I can verify where he went. The way he was headed out, he went back around the other side toward the USO office and the escalator. So once he headed in that direction, the way he was dressed, I pretty much assumed that he was probably going to go to MARTA.
Okay.
So, because he didn't look like he was traveling.
Okay.
And he didn't have any luggage.
Okay.
So I just ran down, went down the escalator, went over to the MARTA, got upstairs, and walked around. And he was on the far end of the platform.
Was the arrest on that platform legally justified? Was the force used proportionate under federal constitutional law? And what does Georgia law actually require in a case like this? 3 parties, 3 very different performances, 1 legal framework that determines who was right and who may have crossed a line. Graham v. Connor 1000. 989 is the controlling standard for every use of force by law enforcement in the United States. The Supreme Court established that force must be objectively reasonable. Reasonableness under Graham is assessed by 3 factors: the severity of the underlying crime, whether the suspect posed an immediate threat, and whether the suspect was actively resisting arrest. All 3 factors were present simultaneously. A felony robbery, a suspect reported to be carrying a blunt weapon. Active physical resistance during the lawful arrest. Georgia Code Section 16840 defines robbery by sudden snatching as taking property from the immediate presence of another with intent to steal while the victim is unable to resist. Penalty 1 to 20 years. If a blunt instrument was carried during the commission of that robbery. Georgia Code Section 16841 applies. Armed robbery carries a mandatory minimum of 10 years with no reduction available. The distinction between robbery and armed robbery is not a question of intent, but of what the suspect was carrying. A single item in a pocket changes the sentence by a decade. Under Illinois v. Gates 1000, 983. Probable cause is assessed by the totality of circumstances. A direct first-hand eyewitness account is among the strongest legal bases for a warrantless arrest. Georgia Code Section 17420 authorizes officers to arrest without a warrant when probable cause exists that a felony has been committed. The eyewitness testimony here met and exceeded that threshold. Chimel v. California 1000, 969 establishes that a search of the person incident to a lawful arrest requires no warrant. Once the arrest was valid, recovering any item on the suspect was constitutionally sound. Miranda v. Arizona 1000, 966 protects against compelled self-incrimination during custodial interrogation only. Spontaneous statements made during an active arrest carry no Miranda protection. Key lesson for law enforcement. Force applied to a resistant subject carrying a reported weapon is legally defensible when each Graham factor is documented and proportionate in real time. Key lesson for civilians. The legally correct conduct of a bystander is to observe, follow at a safe distance, and communicate with officers. No citizen arrest, no physical intervention, no confrontation. The witness who followed this suspect through the airport demonstrated that a single informed civilian can provide the probable cause that makes a felony arrest legally unassailable. But the most important question in this case remains unanswered. Was the weapon on the suspect confirmed as an offensive weapon under Georgia law? Was armed robbery ever charged, or only simple robbery? That single question determines whether the suspect faces a maximum of 20 years under Section 16840 or a mandatory minimum of 10 years under Section 16841 with no way out. And what about the repeated commands to stop reaching? At what exact moment does continued resistance legally authorize each additional level of force under Graham v. Connor? The law provides the standard. The footage provides the facts. But only the court record will tell us which side of the line this case actually fell on.